Introducing the officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Philip Sison, international referee. Second referee, Mr. Jess Villarreal, national referee. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the starting lineup of Team Smart. Number 1, Captain Ruby De Leon. Number 3, Sue Roses. Number 5, Gretchen Soltones. Number 7, Maru Banaticla. Number 8, Charo Soriano. And number 11, Mika Guliman. Their libero, number 9, Melissa Gohing. Head coach for Team Smart, Mr. Roger Gorayev. And now, give it up for the starting lineup for the Far Eastern University Tamaraws. Number 2, Bernadette Pons. Number 8, Samantha Dawson. Number 9, Mary Palma. Number 13, Jerilyn Malabanan. Number 14, Charlene Nerio. And number 12, Captain Giselle C. Their libero, number 1, Christine Agno. Head coach, Mr. Shaq De Los Santos.
Mga kaibigan, pinakilala na po ang starting lineup ng magkabilang kupunan. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa San Juan Arena in San Juan City. Kasalukuyan, medyo may kalakasan yung ulan sa labas. Pero that does not stop the thousands of fans from coming dito sa ating venue para sa masaksihan po itong ating matchup between Smart and FEU. Ngayon itong FEU, napag-usapan natin kanina, parang wala na yata halos tayong kilala rito. It's a new team. A lot of, sabi nga ni Coach Chuck sa akin kanina, more than half are new players.
That's right. But you still have your... ang importante kasi, no, yung setter mo ay veterano. And Giselle C. in the house for FEU pa rin, ano? And Agno, yung libero pa, isa pang importante yung posisyon, nariyan pa rin for FEU. You have Dawson, and
Malabanan,
Palma is still there.
Yes.
Oh.
Remy Palma will be actually starting out sa harapan. So titignan natin ngayon as Giselle C. prepares to serve. 8 player lang ang nakalista rito for this game for Smart. At you can see Sue Roses on your screens right now. The only player who's not on the floor is Jem Ferrer. Setter din. So, if anything happens to any of the attackers dito, magiging attacker si Ruby De Leon.
Nakaya-kaya naman talaga, diba?
They only have one utility spiker. Oh, isa lang yung utility spiker nila rito in Sue Roses. Melissa Gohing, of course, on your screens. The former lady spiker from Lasan.
Wearing blue, ah!
Wearing blue. Nakapanibago nga naman. Well, Giselle C. will put it in play para dito sa kupunan ng FEU to get things started dito po sa ating match number 2 po dito sa ating open conference. Maru Banaticla, nasa lubungan kaagad na isang block. One more time around for Maru. Diretso agad sa open.
Nandun agad yung adjustment na ginawa ni Maru Banaticla. Nilagyan ng angulo yung pangalawang palo.
At nakikita natin dito, may mga signs pa nga yung mga fans dito. Miss you, Maru. Tagal-tagal na nila hindi nakikita ito. Ruby De Leon on the very sharp serve. Here's Giselle C. going to Nerio on the other side. Dug up there by De Leon. Here is Maru once again. Hi, Remy Palma.
Mag-isa. Tinukot ang bola at nakuha yung puntos na yun for FEU.
Yan ang hinihintay natin mag-develop talaga. Remy Palma as Malabanan is now in front para dito sa kupunan ng FEU. So Remy Palma to put it in play. Nice serve. Roses is there. Maru sa kabila naman umatake. Pinuto ni Remy pero wala sumuporta.
So medyo malayo doon yung depensa ng FEU. Likod na likod. So malaki yung butas doon sa gitna. Na mukhang ina-adjust si Agno. No? Sinasabi na niya doon sa teammates niya mag-adjust sila.
Well, Charo Soriano is playing with a heavily bandaged right thumb. Titignan natin kung left thumb rather. Titignan natin if that's going to affect her play. As Maru Banaticla again.
Once again, mainit na mainit. Kung si Maru Banaticla.
Tinanong natin kanina kung naka-makeup siya. Meron daw na konti naman.
Ikaw talaga, yung mga tanong mo eh.
Ilang taon na yan eh. Ilang taon na natin napapansin. Si Maru, uy, okay yan. That's good for TV na may konting kang makeup
talaga
for the game.
Hindi man ako yung nagtanong, ikaw eh.
Dati pa namin kantsawan yan. Dawson!
Dawson, blocked.
Well, turned back there by Sue Roses and the net. 4-1. Maganda panimula para dito sa kupunan ng Smart. Coach Roger Gorayab is asking for yung ang daming madudulas na area dito sa ating court. Well, yun na nga eh. Sa ating...
gusto mo naman safe yung mga players natin. Yun ang ginagawa ni Coach Roger as Agno misses that receive.
Well, Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Maraming salamat sa mga kaibigan natin sa Rexona. Si Agno ginamit yung balikat pang receive. Hindi umandar yun. Charo Soriano once again. Former Ateneo captain and former Ateneo coach dito sa Shakey's V-League. And that's a good attack there coming from Nerio.
Well, itong si Nerio, sabi sa akin ni Coach Shaq, mukhang babalik rin sa Amerika.
Yan, ha?
Oo.
Well, titignan natin ating slow-mo replay brought to us by Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. So, Nerio, galing Amerika.
Galing Amerika na gusto niya kunin na sana nga daw ay magustuhan na rito. Pero mukhang kulang pa ng another year. Mukhang tatapusin daw yung pag-aaral sa Amerika.
Well, Maruban Atikla has scored 3 of the 6 points para dito sa kupunan na Smart dito po sa ating opening set. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Ngayon, si Maru nasa likuran na. Serving which will bring Rachel Soltones to the front. The San Sebastian player. Oy!
Nagkaintindihan. On the side of the FEU Lady Tams.
Malabanan, you can see it's about, what, 5'10", 5'11 na
yan naman nagsiserve na residency yan.
Oo, bata-bata pa. Lots of experience points to be taken here in the Shakey's V-League. Here's Pons. And that was off the check ball.
Right, going down the line. Ang maganda rito, mukhang clash ng veterano at youngsters.
Ay, mga youngsters. Yung hindi na lang youngster dito, si Giselle C.
Yun na nga. Magandang panoodin dito.
Good serve there for FEU. 7-3. And again, dinaanan naman sa pagka-veterano.
Sa pagkakasabi lang natin ng veterano, what a veteran move coming po kagaling kay Suzanne Roses.
8-3, Smart up by 5. Back at us here, ladies and gentlemen. 8-3 lamang po ang Smart na 5 puntos kontra sa FEU. Bato natin ngayon kay Ann Remulla.
Thank you, Noel. This will be a solid FEU lineup for Coach Shaq de Los Santos. And ang sabi niya, tama kayo, puro bata ang mga nasa lineup ngayon ng FEU. And nag-mention din sila ng mga notable names of players dapat nating abangan tulad nila Bernadette Pons, Genevieve Casugod at ang cousins na sila Charlene Neriog mula sa Grand Prairie High School at Jerry Lee Malabanan mula sa Sunny Hills High School. Ayon sa kanila, these two girls have not yet enrolled in FEU. Papasok sila second semester if they do like it, like what Mozzie has mentioned earlier. Bukod pa dyan, inaasahan nila na yung experience na ito dito sa Shakey's V-League will really give these girls the confidence para sa paglalaro ng volleyball. Mozzie and Doel?
Kaguliman able to score there at that's a scary prospect para sa FEU. Kung makuha nga nila ito magpinsan na ito.
Sana nga talaga makuha ni Coach Shaq. At paano mo naman hindi magugustuhan ng volleyball sa Pilipinas?
Yun.
Paano? Hindi pwede.
Guliman with the serve there. 9-4. Smart up. Remy Palma on the quick. Nasagip pa rin yan ni Gretchen Soltones. And now Maruban Atikla gets it across. Giselle C. Remy Palma on the runner. Here's De Leon. Soltones. Naabangan ni Palma. Sinagip ni Roses. Hindi na masasagip yan ni Maru. So ganun, again, Remy Palma relentless at the net.
Yes, that's what I'm sure Coach Shaq wants to see from Remy Palma at this point. Matagal na nilang inaabangan itong player na ito.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Here's Bernadette Pons on the serve. Napasok pa rin, Ruby attacking. Teka muna.
The line judge was calling it out already.
Tumama sa antena.
Yun ang sinasabi na ating line judge. He was waving the flag.
Coach Shaq is contesting this though, Mosi. At sabi ni Philip Season, wala na, naibigay ko na.
Medyo there's a delay in the call kasi kaya lang na...
Soltones with the jump serve. Point into the net.
Soltones with that error.
Alala mo si Giselle C na nagsimula, chubby-chubby pa.
Pero
ngayon atleta na.
Ganun naman.
See with the serve, Soltones. Ruby De Leon, running attack, off the block. Here's Nerio. Suroses is there. De Leon, across now for Maruba Natikla. One-hand save galing dito kay Giselle C. Nerio again. Roses again.
Oh.
And Ruby. Ayan,
Well taken, yes.
Giselle.
Well
Nerio
taken
missed.
by Giselle C, but Nerio sends it wide. Too much angle.
Sabi ni Giselle C, aba, ate, setter din ako. Alam ko yung ginagawa mong yan. 11-6, so far so good para dito sa Smart.
Oh,
De Leon.
masyadong mababa. Kahit yung pagkaka-release ni Ruby, napakababa.
Si Ruby, ilang beses niya siguro nakakaligtas sa foot fault. Ang lapit niya sa linya mag-serve.
Saktong-sakto lang.
Oh. So, Remy Palma, once again to serve for FEU. Fielded there by Soltones. Habol naman si Ruby. Suroses. Giselle C. Keeping it alive long enough for Samantha Dawson. Pero ang ganda ng blanca doon ni Charo.
Pero poor coverage doon on the side of FEU. Nandun na silang lahat nakatingin. But medyo mataas naman yung bola. But again, Smart with that attack.
So it was Charo and Maru conspiring that time. 5-point lead pa rin para dito sa Smart. Charo Soriano. Mabalik na yung jump serve ni Charo. And that was into the net coming from Nerio. So 13-7. Early timeout here to be called by Shaq De Los Santos for FEU.
Darlene, you target the end line.
Service mo, hindi maawat.
Adjust lang tayo, adjust.
Nervous ka pa ba?
Masyado tayo
Ganyan,
sa
just
loob
ka
eh.
agad.
Wala namang
Pwedeng
kakaiba
nervous
silang
yung-
ginagawa.
Opener ka eh. Dating sa'yo doon. Paluin mo. Pag pumasok ka sa loob, huwag mong bagalan yung palo mo. Bilisan mo yung talo.
Ay, kailangan mag-usap tayo. Hindi tayo nag-usap eh. Ha? Huwag natin madaliin. Masyado nagmamadali. Hindi natin matatapos agad yan. Tin, relax lang sa receive, ha? Okay, sige. Go, go.
Bawi tayo, bawi tayo! Neil!
Dito na.
I see Coach Shaq, of course, addressing Malabanan and Nerio in English.
Kita. Hindi ko siya, kala mo
Hindi naman natin
I believe.
kine-question na ano siya eh, wala siyang ability na makadali na nosebleed.